thank your father for the gift. I really like it.
Our pleasure, ma'am.
Walk Adrian to the door and behave yourself.
Just so we're clear, I'm not interested in some step-sibling thing. Wait. Last night, it was you?
Listen, I didn't see anything. Unless, of course, you wanted me to. Listen up. I don't care who you are or what kind of connection we have, but you need to keep your distance. You and your gold-digging mom, too. One more thing. Stop trying to seduce me.
I'm not.
Good. Keep it that way.
Trust me. I'll make sure they don't get married.